The plan. Let's take a little bit of this, and a little bit of this, and turn it into something like this.
But you're going to have to watch the video to see how this thing is actually put together.
So this is what we're starting with. As you can see, this is a futon. And this is the remains of a cloud walker. Now you can see this all disassembled. I wasn't going to subject you to the boring part of unbolting things. What we got here is these things. They're about a 3/4 by 1.5 inches. I think I'm going to save those, possibly using them on the car. This framework, not sure yet what I'm going to do with. It's got some round tubing with some bends in it. We'll see what we do later with that. This is the biggest reason I took it apart. These things are right here. This is the part we're going to use.
Quick overview. What we've got laid out here is basically what it's going to look like on the side view. What I plan on doing, in order to get the movement the way I want it to move, let me explain, is on this corner, I'm going to make a bracket like that, with a hole in it. Okay? What I need to do is put in a bell crank. I was looking over the internet to see what was available for these things, for stands. They got all kinds of different designs. Yeah, so to use what I've got in order to make it work is the bell crank, sit like that. The principle is, oh, don't worry, this probably won't be to scale. To get this to move like this, okay, this will move this way. That allows me, being 90 degrees here, to move this rod way over to here. On here, there's a pivot point. Now this can vary, depending on what kind of ratio I'm looking for. Because then a foot pedal comes way up to here. And that's the whole idea. So when I'm holding a big panel, I don't need an extra pair of hands holding it. I can hold it out here and use my foot to operate it. Pretty simple. Well, it works good and it was real cheap, which is what I really like about this thing. Anyways, I want to thank you guys for watching, for subscribing, and we will see you later. Bye for now.